Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. I hope you are having a happy holiday season. Today I have my December original Ipsy Glambag, so let's get in here and see what I've got. December is the last month that they will have 3 different Ipsy Glambags that you can receive 3 of each month. There is the original Glambag, which is 5 deluxe minis. Sometimes they have full sizes in there, and it is $12. And you get to choose one of the items. There is the Plus, which is $25. You get 5 full-size products, but you get to choose 3 of them from selections that they give you. And then December is the last month that they will have the Ipsy Ultimate, and that is 8 full-size products, 4 deluxe samples, $50, but it's going away. December is the last month. In January, we will have just our original bag and our Plus, and then starting in February, they are offering the Glam X bag. We'll see how it goes. It's only going to be quarterly, but I'm here to tell you, if you are thinking at all about it, the spoilers for the first bag look fantastic. So definitely go on Ipsy and check that out. I will put my link below if you have any interest. When you choose the Glam X, you will upgrade either your original bag or your Plus. It is going to be a $55 bag. So if you upgraded your original bag, it will be a $43 upgrade. And if you upgrade your Plus, it's a $30 upgrade. So that's a hefty upgrade. But if they keep up the momentum that it looks like they're building for the first bag, it looks like it's going to be worth it. Okay, let's get in here and see what is in my original bag. All right, when we reach in, I have been looking so forward to these bags. Look how cute that is. This is just the original bag, and it's like shearling. It's so cute, and it's pink. It's so cute. They're all gonna feel like this. I love it. I took off the little plastic piece that was protecting that, and it just says Ipsy on it. You could technically carry this like a wristlet. So cute. Although we are technically not here for the bags, this is a really cute one. Okay, when we open it up, inside, we have our paperwork that tells us about everything that we have, and all of my goodies fit in my bag this month, which means I technically probably have no brushes. Sad. Okay, I just took everything out so I could show you guys the inside. It's kind of just a burgundy color, and it has the big Ipsy tag. Can you tell I'm a little taken with this bag? It is so cute and furry. All right, the first product that I have is a Fab First Aid Beauty product. And I'm not gonna swatch this because I can't use any of the First Aid Beauty products because they put licorice in absolutely everything. I've even quit looking because they put it in everything and I just can't use licorice. This is a 5-in-1 bouncy mask. That sounds so cool. Okay, maybe I'll read it and make sure there's licorice root in it. It says nourish, calm, firm, plump, and refine. Safe for sensitive skin. The paperwork says, the perfect treatment to prep skin for or repair after a big night, you're looking at it. This multitasking 10-minute gel mask improves the look of skin in 5 ways. It uses marine botanicals, vitamin C, and rose extract to quickly nourish, calm, firm, plump, and refine the skin. And it says that if it was full-sized, it would be 50 ml and $38. This is 9.6, so we'll say 10 ml, so 1/5 of that. So this is just over, wow, this little one is just over $7 in value. Okay, I'm gonna take a second and scan the back for licorice root. Yeah, licorice root. They put licorice root in everything. The irony of it is, with my super sensitive skin that gets all red and inflamed and mad at me, licorice root is calming. That's the one thing that it does offer, so they put it in a lot of things meant to be calming, which I need, except for, yeah. Is that irony or just annoying? Okay, next we have the Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum, All Day Nourishing. And that is what that looks like. This is 10 ml also. And the paperwork says there's nothing sticky about this honey-infused serum. Luxurious, lightweight, and silky smooth. It almost feels like an oil. A natural healer, honey speeds up cell growth to leave skin soft, bright, and glowing, while hyaluronic acid and silk amino acids hydrate and boost glow. This would be full-sized at 30 ml and have a $48 value, so this is 1/3. So this little bottle has a $16 value. Well, it doesn't have the ingredients on it, so I say ignorance is bliss. It just comes out as a little yellow kind of, well, they said it was gonna turn to oil, didn't they? It's kind of, oh, it does. It just melts right away. I don't even know if I can get you guys so you can see that. It just melts into your skin right away. It feels amazing. It smells nice, just very light, wow, it's a serum. Good morning, all day nourishing serum. Well, I hope when I get downstairs and I can actually look up and see what's in here, and fingers crossed it's nothing that I'm allergic to, because wow, it absorbed right into my hand. That feels amazing. I mean, really, really nice. Okay, next I have something bigger. It is the Feel Enzymatic Exfoliating Cleanser, and this is 19 mLs. And notice what that looks like. And let's see what the paperwork says. Feel Beauty Enzymatic Exfoliating Cleanser. We didn't think you could bottle perfection until we met this super nourishing and gorgeous exfoliator. Wonder what makes it, well, we're gonna get in there and see. Enzymes bromelain and papain derived from pineapple and papaya gently exfoliate while pumpkin seed oil replenishes, and allantoin conditions and hydrates. So dreamy. And it says that it would be 4 fluid ounces to be full-sized, and that would have a $28 value. And this is 0.67, so a little over half. So this would be just over about $3 in value. So while it doesn't technically have anything in it that I'm allergic to, some of the words about it make me a little nervous about using it on my face because I'm so sensitive. But somebody said to me the other day, when I get things like this, just use them on the back of my hands, and that is a genius idea. My hands are taking such an abuse because of all of the hand washing. Didn't they call this beautiful? No, it's beige. I mean, not that beige can't be beautiful, but this is just, when I start spreading it out, the grit of it is not aggressive. I mean, it's a very nice, it's not a real chunky grittiness. Oh, it smells really nice. You can smell all of those fruits in there. Yeah, I'm gonna try this on my face. We'll see what happens, because pineapple and papaya can both be really, they can be kind of aggressive, but I just did it all over my hand. I hope you can see the whiteness of that, and it has little dots in it. I'm gonna hope that showed a little bit. Oh no. Well, we'll know soon enough if it's a problem. This smells so good. I really like it. I'm gonna wipe it off and we'll see if it leaves the back of my hand really soft. It really did. I don't think that there's a chance in the world I could show you, especially with my lighting, the difference. This is the hand that I did, and this is the one that I didn't. This hand, it is amazing. It is amazing, the difference. Yeah, so if I can't use it on my face, I will actually use it on my hand, and whoever's idea that was, genius. Okay, reaching in next, I have an IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder. I love this, and I'm here to tell you, I don't know if it's because it's a powder so it doesn't absorb into my skin. This is the one thing with licorice root in it that does not bother me. I know you would think that it would, but I guess, like I said, because it's not something that's absorbing into my skin, because the brand IT also puts licorice root in everything. I mean, even the powders, they put it in everything. But I have been able to continue to use this. I have it on today. And this is just a cute little, it's a cute little sample size of it. But this would be, I'm gonna go ahead and close it. I mean, I'll show it to you guys. But this will be so perfect for travel, and it's just the little translucent powder. I use it every day. It covers your pores. It just magically does away with them. I love it. Yeah, I put it on the back of my hand. There's no chance you'll see it. It's just a translucent powder, but I'm gonna keep it, and I'm gonna put that little tape back over it they have, because this will be perfect for travel, and then there's no risk of my big one being broken. This says IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Translucent Pressed Setting Powder. Whether you're looking for a matte, airbrushed finish or just to nix shiny spots, this pore blurring powder is your go-to. It's designed to visually blur imperfections, and it's healthy for your skin with anti-aging peptides, hydrolyzed collagen, and antioxidants to protect, nourish, and smooth. And it says that if it was full size, it would be 9 grams for $30. Oh, dropped it. And this is 2.4 grams, so it's a little more than a quarter of it, and a quarter of it would be, so this is right about $8 worth. Oh, that's a good size sample. Okay, and last, and I believe this was my choice. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit. And I just, in the realm of things that I love, like balm, I love balm. Lip balm, I love lip balm. And what else do I love? Well, brows. I always like trying new brow pencils. It is an ultrafine tip, and the one I'm using right now isn't an ultrafine tip, and I'm having a hard time getting my tail just right, and I thought even if I just use this out toward my tail, it's not a full size, but it's really close. See how small and fine? You probably can't even see it so small. Could show it to you all put together though. Look how cute it is. And I received it in 3.5. It doesn't tell me. That's probably a medium brown. I think mine is a 2.5 or a 3. Let's see. Now this is probably close to right, but I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to hope this shows. I'm just drawing it like if you were drawing huge lashes. Can you guys see the lines of that? How fine it is? Sometimes we get real wrapped up in wanting these to be kind of creamy, but I find if they're waxier and a little firmer, it's actually easier to do more true to life hair looking things. And over here, that probably doesn't matter as much. But over here on the insides, when I'm coming straight up, I really like that to look more natural, like I'm actually drawing in little hairs. So these finer, thinner, firmer, less creamy ones are perfect for that. Let's see what the paperwork says. Benefit Cosmetics Precisely, my eyebrow pencil in 3.5. Getting your best brows has never been easier. Use this multitasking pencil to create long, horizontal strokes to shape your brows and short, upward strokes to fill them in. Thanks to a custom control grip and ultrafine tip, you'll get precise, hair-like lines every time. And the full size of this would be $24 and 0.08 grams. And this is 0.026 grams, which is, by the way, 0.0009 ounces. That's a really low number. So it's about a third. So a lot of our samples are about $8. So, and that is my Ipsy for December. I am really happy with it. Starting off, you might have guessed with the bag, I thought it was gonna be a little more pink. It's slightly more beige than I thought, but I like it. I'm putting it in my purse. I like it a lot. I chose the Benefit eyebrow pencil. I got the It Bye Bye Pores translucent powder, the Feel exfoliator, which if I can't use on my face, and I'm going to try it on my face, I'm going to use it on the back of my hands. This Hey Honey serum, which when I look it up, if I can use these ingredients, this felt unbelievably wonderful on the back of my hand. And I will tuck this in a giveaway. It is the Fab 5-in-1 Bouncy Mask. It sounds really cool, but darn licorice root. Let me know below, what did you guys get in your bag? Did you like the bag? Is it just me? Do you think that the furry thing is kind of weird? It reminds me of the inside of my Uggs. That's probably why I like it. All right, thanks a lot for coming by, guys. I hope you're having a fantastic holiday season. We're getting so close now. I'm not sure when I'm putting this up, so we might be right there at Christmas. Thank you so much for taking the time to come by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.